Hold on. You're cut of the thingy again.
Heading up here to the cookout. Nancy's got some good vittles going on over here. This is the main group. We're parked on the other side of the creek. Hello, Debbie.
Well, that's super sexy.
What's up, Billy?
What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
Drinking my milk, getting my bones strong.
I see that.
Harold, One Strange Adventure.
Huh?
Bought that drone yesterday.
Yeah.
It's the Air 2.
I know. I saw it. He was flying.
Did you see? Did you hold
It's
it?
quiet.
That thing is stupid quiet. Like quieter than our minis.
I'm charging mine right now.
Have y'all been questioned by Mark yet?
Negative.
Fabian did.
What's up, Bob?
Hey, how's it going, Bill?
Doing all right?
Great times, great.
Phil.
I know, and I'm standing
She's just standing in the hole.
Dude, no. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Fantastic. Getting the shirt. All right, all right.
RVUnderway.
How's it going? Let's hear the radio voice. Come on.
Hi, Bill. How are you?
What's the time and temperature?
Time and temperature, it is right now 3 minutes before the hour of 1 o'clock.
Radio voice.
79 degrees. Beautiful blue sky.
How you guys doing?
And the traffic
You get that shirt?
on 1 is...
You get that shirt? Oh yeah, look at this. What are we doing here?
That.
Wow.
Potato casserole. See, that's the thing right there.
Crazy stuff going on right
Liner. That's a good idea. I know. Let's clean up. Yep.
Do you really care?
Oh, I care because he's the one that started all this.
Oh, you do care? We've met several who don't care. What do you think about that?
I think those ones that don't care can look at Mark.
Why do you think they don't care that Camper Life is here?
Because they're just here for the food and the booze.
Oh, and so you don't think Camper Life would rub someone the wrong way?
No, not ever. Him? He's so polite to everybody.
Is he?
He's kidding me.
Is he?
Well, maybe not you.
Is he? Is he a jokester? Why do you think people do not like him?
He is,
Why do they don't care?
You are in competition for him for the right amount of humor.
Oh, Captain Jack Scrapper, you're one of a kind, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir.
And we mean that in the right way.
Oh, God.
Right.
You make this old pirate blush.
Oh, they broke the mold before you were born.
Yes, they did.
Get that Camper Life shirt there.
Yeah, that would be me.
This ain't even my shirt. She bought this for me on Amazon.
We started a project, and we were going to talk to someone, and this little girl said, "This is my forever best friend." And she was about 6 years old, and ever since then, we said, that's a great idea. So we started telling the stories of other people and their dogs, which are their forever best friends.
Aw.
And then we started doing a forever best friend finder, which is helping people connect to other rescue dogs.
Yeah?
So you might think you want, say, I love a Great Danes, I'd really like to get a Great Dane. So we would connect those people with other rescues so they could find a rescue as opposed to maybe something else.
Yeah. Yeah, we always thought we'd want labs and shepherds, but we're in an RV, so Chihuahuas was a logical choice.
Well, and they're super sweet, and they're actually, you guys are highlighted today on our Instagram with your 2 Chihuahuas.
Oh, that's so sweet. I have to check that out.
It's really cool. Yes, I think it's Coco and Buddy, correct?
And Bella.
And
Yes.
Bella, Coco
Yes.
and Buddy.
Bella doesn't get out much. She's kind of shy. And she doesn't walk on a leash, so we have to walk her like right around the house.
But the white dog is laying down behind the chairs over there where Lily is toys. Oh, okay. I know, I was already doing it.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera. How are you?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Shanna Craft. Shanna Banana.
Shanna Banana. Not Shauna. She doesn't like that.
No. I was called Shauna in the 3rd grade. Kind of after a few months after school started. Teacher says, "What's your name?" And I said, "Shanna." And she said, "Shauna." And I said, "Shanna." And we went back and forth. And I was Shauna that year.
Oh boy. All right. Well, I'm glad I got you on film.
One Strange Adventure. So everybody hit that subscribe button and join them. Which channel is your favorite? One Strange Adventure or Imagine Your Odyssey? He's trying to think.
His favorite channel? He doesn't watch either of them.
I am part-time.
And are you full-time or part-time?
Full-time part of the time.
I'm actually I've been in the RV now for about a month. We've been moonshocking in our own driveway while the house is working.
Well, but you are going full? Yeah.
It'll be sold by January.
Cool.
Behind the scenes.
And you, sir, what's your channel name?
Are we going to film each other doing this? Thin Blue Lane, TBL, RV Life.
I don't know what's going on.
Stripes.
Hi.
Hi there. Do you bite?
Sure, kind
Let me
of.
see.
Maybe.
Ooh.
Get out there and do it. Tomorrow you can see tomorrow all you want. But if you just get out there, you don't have to buy an RV today. Go get a tent. Then, you know, sleep in the back.
I'm walking around with it.
Hi, I'm Keith.
I'm Indiana.
And we are traveling down to Bannisters. We are currently at the Mayberry Meetup here in Mount Airy, North Carolina. And if you haven't been to this meetup, you need to come to the next one because there's a ton of awesome channels and people here. There's so much to do around the area, but you won't even really have a chance to do anything out of the campground because we have so many activities, fun stuff going on.
Did you enjoy it here today? And the meetup?
It is a blast. The worst part about this whole thing is tomorrow morning we all go our separate ways. That's the hardest part. Everybody here, we're all so close, even though we hardly ever see each other, but on YouTube, it's going to be hard to leave everybody out.
Do you plan on making this a year-round thing?
Oh, 100%. 100%. We're hoping that everybody will put it together. That way we can meet up, see each other, and if not, we're going to find a way to meet up with everybody. So I'm sure we'll be here on the next one.
All right, and they have their cute little son here too with them. Say hi.
Kid, what's your name? And what's your channel name? My brother had a travel trailer.
Nice. Thank you for giving the time for us to interview you.
As always, thanks for traveling down to Bannisters.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Natasha.
I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bag. And
see, for me,
we have just really loved this.
I had a lot of growth off of
It's so great to connect with so many folks that you've already connected with online, but to actually just be able to hang out with them and get to know them better, especially on a personal level. It's just been amazing.
I wanted to just pick right up. It's like we already know everybody, so we really, in a sense, we do.
All right, can you tell me about a little bit about your channel so other people who watch this would like to go check it out?
So I'm a travel nurse.
I'm a stay-at-home dad, and we do everything from our family adventures to RV fix-it tips and
to our travel nurse videos as well.
And do you plan on making this event a year-round thing?
I would like to. Yeah.
All right, we look forward to seeing you there next year. Thank you so much for giving us the time to share with our viewers about your channel and your likes. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Bob with BluWave Odyssey.
I'm Debbie.
And we are an RV travel channel.
We like to bring you along to the ride. There's a lot of different destinations all across the U.S.
We like to do the big destinations like the Grand Canyon, Redwood Forest.
Always wanted to go there.
Yep, and the Petrified Forest, things like that. But we also like to do the little hidden gems like the Bonnie and Clyde Ambush Side or the Leaning Tower at Texas, Floating Mesa, things like that.
Do you plan on making this trip a year-round thing?
That's hard to say. We have to play that by next year when it gets closer to see where we're at. Cause,
we'd love to.
We would love to come again next year, but we don't know where we're going to be next year. Yeah.
Did you enjoy the meetup this year?
This was such a good time. What a great turnout. Wonderful people.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi there. We are getting out RV adventures with the McGuires. I'm Carrie. I'm Chloe.
Scott. And we're having a blast. It's really cool to see in person all the people that we've been getting to know on the YouTubes. And now they're real people. They're right here.
They're real people. We've just been doing YouTube since around June when we first started, so this is all new to us. It's really been a really fun adventure to come here and meet them.
Do you plan on coming next year to the event if they make it a year-round thing?
I think so. If we do this again, we'll definitely be back. What do you think?
Yeah, we enjoyed it.
And Sophie got an RVUnderway hat, so that's her new favorite channel.
How did you enjoy the meetup this year? Did it meet your expectations or expel them?
I think I didn't
Excel.
know what to expect since we're so new new to this, so I mean, we just had a great time. And, so I guess it exceeded my expectations because I didn't have any. It's glad to be here.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I didn't know it would turn out this well. Thank you.
That's awesome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for giving the time to share your channel. I'll have our viewers here who are watching you, even though I'm holding the Solus camera, come check you guys out. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi, my name's Charlie Grace. I'm with Forever Best Friend.
My question for you today is, did you enjoy the meetup, our very first for this year?
This has been awesome. We've met a lot of really cool people, and we're excited to come back next year.
And do you plan on making it next year, if they make it a year-round thing?
We're going to make it. We're going to put it on our calendar as soon as they let us know which week.
And for our viewers watching today, would you like to explain a little bit about your channel?
Sure. We are a dog-friendly travel channel. So if you travel with your dog, we'd like to give campground reviews and all sorts of really cool places to go on the United States. And we just like to spread the word to travel dog-friendly.
All right, you guys heard it from Forever Best Friend here. If you want to check out the channel, the shirt's obviously there. I've been panning up and down to show it to you guys. All right, thank you so much for sharing for us today.
All right, thanks for having me. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
We are enjoying Mayberry. We will definitely be back next year. And I'm from Kidz TV, Rocky, and my wife is Erin. I have two daughters that are with us, are Esme and Raylan, and then I have an older daughter who is Alethea.
You mind telling me a little bit about your channel so the viewers on here can go check it out?
Yeah, we have our channel basically follows from the beginning of us being part-time RVers to transitioning into full-time RVing, and now that we are officially full-time RVers, now it'll be our excursions, expeditions, and goods and bags throughout.
Thank you so much for sharing for us today. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Crystal with Crystal's Pets.
And I'm Jason with Imagine Your Odyssey.
My first question is, did you enjoy the meetup for this?
Yes, I hope we do it again.
We have been talking to all y'all online so much through lives and stuff like that, watching videos, and we got to meet everybody in person. It was absolutely amazing.
Do you guys plan on doing this next year?
Yes, if y'all have it, we will be here.
Absolutely.
Care to share with me and the viewers a little bit about your channel and hobbies?
Mine's about pets and how pet-friendly campgrounds are and training tricks and tips.
And you?
Mine is about the RVs and about how-tos and stuff like that. Experiences that we go through, we share with people so that they know how to do stuff in their RVs.
All right.
Where do you want to go?
Thank you for sharing about your channel, and if you enjoyed the festivities here. And these are this one and that one. Hello.
There's a bunch of us everywhere.
And hello. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Fabian.
And I'm Becky.
And we are proceeding onward in America.
POA.
Do you plan on making it next year? And if you enjoyed it this year?
Oh, we definitely enjoyed it, and we would love to come back next year. We can't wait.
We don't know where we'll be. Well, hopefully here. We'll be here. We will be here.
And third question is, can you share with us, or the viewers, a little bit about your channels and both your hobbies?
All right. Well, our channel is mostly about our RVing adventures, places we go, especially free camping. She's the one that knows the best spots.
Love free camping.
Anywhere we park for free is always the best place in the world.
That's a place for me.
And one of my hobbies is definitely riding my bicycle.
And yours?
Dogs, but I love teaching. I like to teach people
She
things.
likes to cheat on me with the dogs.
That's cute. Thank you for sharing with me and the viewers about your channels and your hobbies. I'm glad you took the time for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.